So what I want to do is out block. So I step out and block out. So as I do that, I'm going to slide up and catch. I'm going to pull them this way. Boom. So there's the first two parts. Block out, grab, step this way. Now as I pull them this way, I'm going to transfer that motion and snap it on. Boom, like that. So from here, when I feel him move back, I'm going to throw my shoulders in and out that way. Still. Block, catch, boom, like that. Good. Now this is where it's going to get a little tricky. This one, it's going to go behind. As this, I'm sorry, no. This one comes behind. I step, come down. Now watch. I kneel on his shin. That's all it takes. Boom. So I do that slow. Realistically, I'm going to go, boom, snap it. Block. Catch. See how I can keep that tight? See that? Because as I step, I bring it and snap it out. From here, this puts it, I sync it up. Drop. And then add that leverage. One more time. Block. Catch. Step. Break. Grab. So as I do this, I have to drop. This comes here. Slow. He goes down, and I fly leverage stick.